Hey guys, what's going on? Sean is here. Welcome to the video number 3. In this video, we're going to talk about products, how you can pick a good product and all of that stuff. We have a lot of things to talk about and it's going to be really cool because you're about to learn some awesome stuff. Alright, so before I start, I want to thank all of you again for watching video number 1 and 2. It's been awesome, and I've been getting a lot of comments, talk about people interact with me, and it's really awesome. I really love that. And again, if you have any questions, if you need me to cover something in next video, in future videos, just let me know. Leave a comment under this video and let us know, and I'm gonna get on that and I'm gonna answer your question in next videos. All right, so in this video I'm gonna talk about something that people have requested a lot, and this is such a big deal that it's like the base of your business. It's especially if you're into affiliate marketing, you're looking for a product to promote. This is a big deal, and you have to get this right. And it's really not that complicated, but a lot of people overlook this, and when you do that, you're going to end up losing a lot of money in your business. All right, so in this video I'm going to talk about picking up a good product, picking a good product to promote as an affiliate. How to do that, what to look for when you're searching for products to promote in different affiliate networks. In this case, we're going to kind of cover ClickBank mostly, but anywhere you look at on any affiliate network, when you look for a product to promote, there's a couple of things that you need to look for, and you're going to make sure that that product is a good product. Because if you promote a bad product, what can happen is that you can make that sell, you can spend a lot of time and money to make that sell, and then it ends up not making you any money because people don't like the product is low quality product, and people return it, and you're going to lose your commission too. So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to teach you exactly how to pick a good product, and also I'm going to add something. This is something that someone mentioned, and I think it's a good idea for me to kind of talk about this, because it kind of comes along with the part when you choose a product to promote, and that is adding value to your product. So it's a good trick. So let me explain exactly how it works. So when you choose a product, what's gonna happen is that, let's say this is your product, okay? If you want to make more sales, like maybe double your sales, what you can do is that you can add more value to the existing product, and this is something that I do on every single product that I promote, and it's a really big deal. Okay, so I'm going to talk about that too. Okay, so again, in this video we're going to talk about choosing a product, how to add more value to it, that makes it easier to sell, and also people are going to actually look for your offers. So people are going to like your offers, because as an affiliate, when you choose a product to promote, you're not going to be the only one that promotes it. It's not easy. You're not going to be the only one promotes it. You're going to have a lot of competition. So in order to stand out, you need to add more value. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so let's go to my computer. Let's talk about choosing a product, and let's talk about how you can actually add more value to your products to make more money with them. All right, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm right now at the ClickBank marketplace. So if you have a ClickBank account, this is where you choose the products to promote. And again, guys, doesn't matter what kind of products you promote or what platform you use. Again, I'm using ClickBank as an example. Okay, so keep that in mind. It can be anything you promote. It really doesn't matter, because I'm just trying to bring up a couple of products that I promote, and then I'll explain exactly what do I look for when I choose a product to promote. Okay, so, and let's say I want to choose a product in health niche, like fitness and all of that stuff. So actually, before I get to that, let me explain what kind of products are selling the best. Okay, so the first and biggest niche is e-business and e-marketing. It's right here. Okay, the second niche is health and fitness. Let me actually, that's the one, health and fitness. And the third one is self-help. Now self-help, subcategories in self-help would be relationships, how to be a better boyfriend, girlfriend, dating guys, and all of that stuff. So yeah, that would be the third most profitable niche. So in this case, I'm just going to go over health and fitness, and let's see what we can find. Let's say we want to do diet and weight loss. Okay, so that's like the biggest subcategory in health and fitness. So yeah, so when I look for a product, in case, for example, in ClickBank, okay, what do I look for is the gravity. Okay, so the gravity shows basically how many people are making sales how many people have made sales from this product in the past week. So the higher the gravity it is means that it's a product that a lot of people are promoting. So the competition is like much higher, right? But at the same time, if a lot of people are making a lot of sales from this product, it means that it's a good product. It's selling good. People are making money from it. That's why they're promoting it, right? So keep that in mind. There's a good and bad thing to high gravity when it comes to ClickBank. So keep that in mind. So I usually I'm okay with promoting high gravity products because the strategies we use, and that's something you're gonna learn inside Niche Blogging Success course, is that it really doesn't matter. It doesn't make a difference, that much of a difference really for us. So it really doesn't matter. So let's choose a product. So the first thing that after, let's say you land on a product that you think it's interesting. So what you can do, let's say 2-week diet by whatever. So you click on that, and it takes you to the website. So that's the website. So the first thing you want to look is, obviously you want to see if they have a sales page. Sales video. This is a really big deal, guys. If they don't have a video in here, if they don't have a sales video, that's like no for me. I'm not gonna promote that product because video is like the best way to sell something. And if they don't have a sales video, that means that either the product is not good or just that they're too lazy to create a video for that product, which you should not promote because they're lazy people. So yeah, you don't want to do that. So you want to make sure they have a video. And also, if it's a good idea for them to have a sales copy, I've seen product pages that are making a huge amount of conversion rates, and they're making a lot of sales, but they don't have any copies. It really doesn't matter. But watch the video. Put some time to watch the video, see if it makes sense. If it's something that you would buy if you were in that position. Either you want to lose weight or something like that, so whatever. So it's really important for you to watch the video. So that's the first thing I would do. Watch the video if you have time, and make sure that it's a good video. And I'll talk about something else that's really important. But yeah, so I'm just looking at the rest of the page. It seems nice. There's a lot of pictures, copies, and people don't read copies. What they look at is just headlines and all of that stuff. They really don't pay attention to something, the other stuff. Like pictures are really important. People look at them. Big texts are important. People look at them. And yeah, so again, looks like a really good product. Okay, looks like a really nice product. So seems like it's nice, and I like it. Now the next thing I would look after looking for video and making sure that video is good and everything is the affiliate page. If you just scroll down to the page and take a look, actually some of these products, they already have the link to the affiliate page here. But so yeah, you can scroll down to open the affiliates and see what do they provide to you as an affiliate. Okay, because you want to use their tools. If it's working, they give you these tools because they work, so you better use them. Okay, so what you can do, I think you can sign up, put their name, put your email, and it should take you to their affiliate page where you get all of this stuff. So if they give you enough affiliate tools, that's another thing that I look for. Okay, so I look for affiliate tools, like copies, emails, videos, and all that stuff. So if there's a product that is giving you all of this stuff, it means that it's a good product. It means that they've put the time to create all of these things for you, so they care about their affiliate business. It's really important for them. So it's great if they have that. So I'm looking at this one, and it seems like they do have it. Let's see. So this is the part where you get your links. I haven't promoted this one yet, so I'm not really 100% sure about it. So there you go. They have articles, banners, emails, videos. That's really awesome. There you go. That's awesome. So again, this is another thing I look for. Emails, banners, videos, really important, guys. Really important. And let's take a look at the videos. So yeah, so that's another thing. So the first thing I look for, again, let me just go over it. The first thing I look for is a good video and good sales page. Okay. The second thing I look for is good affiliate tools, like videos, emails, banners, and all of that stuff. So it's going to make your job easier to promote it as an affiliate. So those are two things that I'll definitely look for after looking at the gravity of the product on ClickBank. So that's that. Another thing I wanted to mention was, let me actually go back to the sales page. Let's go here. So this is just a suggestion. I mean, it's way more complicated than this, but I just want to mention this. So let's say someone clicks on your link on your niche blog to go to this website to buy the product. So something you can do if you're smart, and this is something I always do, is that I kind of have the same flow in my content on my own affiliate site, on my niche blog, as I have the same flow as the sales page. Okay, so for example, if they're using this logo, I use this logo in my article. I use the big text, like or things that they're going to talk about in this video that seems really important. I use this stuff in my article. So the reason this helps, use the same pictures. The reason this helps is that when you have the same flow on your website as the sales page, this when someone comes to your website and they click on your link, it's not a massive transition for them. Okay, so they're not going to be surprised. They're going, what is this? They're not going to be surprised. So this is a big deal, and it just makes the transition from your site to the sales page smooth. And when that's smooth, the chance that they're going to actually buy the product is going to improve and increase. Okay, so that helps a lot. Just something that came to my mind. I thought I should talk about this. Yeah, so again, we're going to talk about this stuff more in the niche blogging success course, but yeah. So that's the first. So again, that's what I look for when I choose a product. A good sales page, a good affiliate tool, a good bunch of affiliate tools, so it's going to be easier for me to promote the product and all of that stuff. So let's talk about adding value to the product, though. Okay, that's another thing, adding value. So the way I add value to the product is after I choose the product, I go to the website called masterresellrights.com and I buy tools, I buy articles or books for it. Now this is a really cool thing. So let's say I'm promoting a weight loss product, right? So what can I do in my campaign is that be like, hey, if you buy this product, I'm going to give you this awesome bonus that is going to help you to learn more about weight loss and all of that stuff. This is my bonus, my gift from me to you to help you in your journey. Okay, so what you do is you go to this website and you look for PLRs related to this niche, which is weight loss. Okay, so let's search weight loss here. So take a look. So this is, let's see if it's for women or men or both actually. Yeah. So we got to look for something general. Fat burn stickers. There you go. So this is a cool one. So what I can do is I buy this. It's gonna cost me $10. It's super cheap, right? So this one has videos, ebooks, and that's like an amazing bonus package. Okay, so it has videos and ebooks. So how awesome is that, guys? So you buy this $10. You put it in a package. When they buy it, you give this to them, and this is the bonus. And this is the bonus alone is going to actually convince people that they should buy from you, not someone else, because you have a good bonus. So, and these are good products. They're not worthless. They're really good products. They have a lot of value and content, so it really actually helps people. So that's how I add value to it. So every product you promote, you must have a bonus for it. Everything you promote, it's always important to have a bonus for it. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to leave a comment. Let me know that you're ready for the next one, because next video is really important, and I want you to watch out for that one when it comes out, because it's an absolutely important video. Okay, so next video is where we put everything we've learned in video number 1, 2, and this video number 3 together. I'm going to give you even more detail on how you can actually create these small niche blogs that take you a couple of hours to set up, and they're going to make you a ton of commissions as you move forward. And this is such a big deal. I mean, if you're into blogging, and if you and let me tell you something, that even if you don't like blogging, even if you don't have any experience online, if you don't know anything about writing and anything like that, this whole thing is really going to change the way you look at the internet marketing business, because it's going to give you a ton of detail. And again, these blogs that we create that are making us commissions, they take a couple of hours to set up. They're not really that complicated. You don't have to be a genius or writer or something like that to, you know, set these things up, and you don't have to have any technical experience to do that too. So it's really incredible. And next video again is really important one. We're going to talk about all of these things, and I'm going to put everything together. I'm going to give you more detail, and also I'm going to talk about the niche blogging success course. This is an important course. This is one of my best courses out there, and it's really going to change the way you look at internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and you know, these amazing like blogs that take you a couple of hours, maybe 2 hours to set up, and they're really going to change everything for you. All right, so make sure to watch out for the next video. Next video is really important, and we're going to talk about that when we get there. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment, and let me know you're ready for the next one, and I'll see you in the next video.